We are at the Bharat Mobility Global Expo 2025, the premier auto show in the country. Specifically, we are at the VinFast pavilion where the company has brought a bunch of exciting and cool products which you can see on display here. In case you did not know, VinFast is a Vietnam-based automaker. It was in fact the top-selling car brand in Vietnamese market in 2024. Apart from cars, they also make two-wheelers and electric buses. Its parent company Vingroup even has ventures in the healthcare, real estate and education industries. VinFast is already present across the globe and is now making its way to India. They have already sold over 190,000 cars and 270,000 two-wheelers. VinFast will be producing vehicles right here in India at their state-of-the-art plant in Tamil Nadu with an annual capacity of up to 150,000 units in its full capacity. This factory will also export vehicles to other parts of the globe like North America, Europe, Middle East and Southeast Asia. The company is making its debut in India with a bunch of products ranging from the VF3 to the VF9 and even a cool concept vehicle. So we will be checking them out and seeing how VinFast is bringing green mobility to everyone at different price points with different choices. Let's start by looking at the VF7 which was unveiled today. It is a modern electric 5-seater SUV which combines technology and comfort into one package. And the very first thing that catches your eye is this futuristic design, especially this V-shaped LED signature over here, and then the overall proportions are pretty clean. It has a very curvy design. Even on the sides you will find large 20-inch wheels and you have flush door handles as well. And even at the back you will see a mirroring of this V-shaped light element, which again looks pretty cool. There are a few interesting things over at the back of the VF7. The first is obviously this vertical light element which accompanies the connected sort of tail light up above. This looks really nice, and then if I move up, well, you not only have this nice spoiler, but you also have a wiper hidden right underneath it, which again is a pretty nice and neat addition. With a clear focus on comfort, technology and safety, the VF7 should definitely appeal to what the company calls the Neo-Indians, the targeted customers for this vehicle that want sustainability as well as all the modern amenities and features. And now we come to the younger cousin of the VF7, the VF6. Now, just like the VF7, this is also very stylish, very futuristic. It has almost the same proportions from the front to the back. However, this has a few different design elements. For example, the V-shaped element in the lights is still here, but it's a bit more curved towards the ends, which again has its own unique look. Even the headlamp cluster has a different set of lights, a different set of design, which also sets it apart from the VF7. And overall, you will notice a lot more creases on the bonnet as well as on the sides. While the VF7 is a bit more curvy, this one has a few more fast lines, I would call them, which look really nice, give this a different character. Now, even at the back, you will notice that the tail lamp is different, and again, the boot lid has many more sharp creases compared to the VF7. Just like the VF7, this also comes with ADAS features. You can see the ADAS sensor up above, and it will come with 360-degree camera as well, along with a very nice interior setup wherein you have a large display in the center to again see your telematics as well as connect your smartphones and for your infotainment purpose. It is a two-row vehicle, so there is seating for 5. There is also a center armrest for the passengers at the back, which again should be very helpful. I should also mention that this unit right here is riding on 19-inch wheels. However, when the car comes, there might be a slight difference in the size. Also, the VF7 and the VF6 both have the largest edge-to-edge moonroof in their respective segments as per VinFast. That is pretty neat. And both vehicles also get a head-up display unit, which I really do like. time to talk about the cutest member of the VinFast family, the VF3. This is a 3-door mini SUV, and it definitely is mini. It definitely is an SUV in terms of its proportions and its design. You can see it's very boxy, and you have these very squarish wheel arches along with big 16-inch wheels on the side. So they really add to the presence of this vehicle. And like I said, it's mini, so it's about 3.1 meters in length, and despite that you get 2 rows of seating on the inside. So there is practicality to this car. In fact, I think this should be one of the best vehicles for urban usage, because our city roads are often full of traffic and tight turns, and this should have absolutely no problem with that. Of course, this too is an EV, and it gets a 110 Newton meter electric motor mounted on the rear axle. So because this is rear wheel drive, again, that makes me really excited for how this vehicle would be to drive. And again, you have this chrome element over here in the V shape. Same is seen at the back, just like the other VinFast vehicles we have seen today. On the inside too, you have a very tech-focused cabin, and there is a touchscreen in the center which acts as both the instrument cluster as well as the infotainment system. So that is unique, and that is definitely something which is different and not seen in many cars. Now, from a cute car to a crazy concept vehicle, this is the VF Wild concept which is on display over here. It is a pickup truck again with an electric heart inside, and this one I think would definitely appeal to those people who are conscious about the nature but also like to go out and explore the wilds. This definitely looks massive, it looks imposing, but still has many of the familiar VinFast vehicle design cues that we've seen in other vehicles. But crucially, I think I would like to draw your attention to the cabin over here, because first of all, how cool are these doors? They open in the opposite direction to give you a great way of getting inside and outside the vehicle. And once you do get inside, despite its massive and butch appearance on the outside, on the inside, actually what is there is a very luxurious cabin. I mean, look at the quality of materials here, look at the minimalistic design, the large touchscreen. So even though it is all business on the outside, on the inside you get loads of luxury, loads of comfort. And then you also have these auto-folding rear seats which increase the bed size from 5 feet to 8 feet, which should be really handy if you're carrying a lot of equipment. Now, VinFast does not just make electric cars, they also make a bunch of two-wheelers which are on display over here. These are their global products, including this very quirky and very nice looking e-bike right over here, which is called Dragonfly. So clearly VinFast has a lot of expertise when it comes to mobility. They even make electric buses. So that just goes on to show how much expertise they have in this field. So that concludes our visit of the VinFast Pavilion here at the Bharat Mobility Global Expo 2025. And you can see clearly there are a lot of people taking pictures and everything. So the crowds are also definitely enjoying all these vehicles. We ourselves are waiting eagerly to drive some of these vehicles out on Indian roads and see what they have to offer in terms of the driving experience, in terms of the reliability and the features. And we are quite hopeful, because what VinFast has showcased here is rather promising. This is all for today. If you like this video, make sure to hit the like button, comment down below if you have any comments or queries, and make sure that you've subscribed to our channel if you have not done that already. I will see you again in the next one. Bye bye.